Sir, welcome and thanks for joining us at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here. So we are so excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's get started quickly with the first question. Please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company.
Hi Priya, this is Sanjeev here, and we have formed VAYU YANTRA 11 months back, and we have developed two products. And that two product, like one is the surveillance, and one other product is agriculture. And in the agriculture, one is the multi-purpose drone, where we are doing the agriculture and facade cleaning, and the same product we are doing fire extinguishing also. So that two. As of now, we have these two products. Yes.
Nice, that's good, sir. Which products that you're showcasing at Drone Expo 2026, sir?
That mainly we are focusing the multi-purpose drones.
Okay.
That is like for agriculture, as I told you.
Yeah.
Agriculture and the fire thing. So these two.
Okay, in your views, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
Yeah. So if you are talking about the strength, then we can say like very less people very less company has built the drone, which is like a multi-purpose drone. So just you need to change the fitment, and you can use the same drone for the multiple purpose, like for the same drone for agriculture, same drone for fire, same drone for in agriculture also we have multiple few things fitment. You need to change the fitment, and you can work on that.
That's great, sir.
Yeah.
What message would you like to share with your potential customers, visitors, and individuals exploring your booth?
Yeah, so I would like to say, like, first of all, thank you who all are coming here. And I would like to say, like, we are giving our product on the competitive price based on in the market. And also we are giving the better like services and good quality of product.
Yeah.
Our main focus is the quality of the product that we are providing to the customer.
I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo 2026, sir. Actually, we are holding it again in the month of September at New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
Yeah, we have already registered. September, even in June also is there. So we have already registered for that.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Thank you.